to preschool today. Today's a really special day because we are learning about the letter R and we have a really special guest.
It's true. Can you guess who it might be? We're going to give you some clues. Ready?
Okay, first clue is she's our cousin.
And her name starts with the letter R.
She has really long hair.
And she lived in a tower. It's Rapunzel!
Thanks, Elsa and Anna. I am so excited to be here. R is my favorite letter. All right, guess what this is? This is the big R. And this is the small r. Do you know what sound the letter R makes? I'll give you a clue. Do you know what this is? It's a race car. And a race car goes... And that's the sound of the R. Can you believe it? I love the R. And I have some special friends. This is my bunny, Rabbit. Rabbit starts with an R. Who else should we get, Bunny Rabbit? Who do you see up there? This is my friend, Reindeer. Do you know who gave me this? Sven. Sven the reindeer gave me this reindeer. And I love him so much because it starts with an R. Reindeer, what should we do next? That's a good idea. We should write the letter R. Will you sit there and help me? Okay. All right, let's start with the big R. So we start at the sky. We go down to the grass. Up and around and down. Should we do the small R now? Start at the road. Down to the grass. And around. That's the small R. What do you think, Reindeer? Was that fun? Writing R's are fun. Who is it?
Do you want to run a race?
Run a race? I love running. It's my favorite thing to do. Let's go. All right, Olaf, let's get ready to race.
Okay.
Oh no, it looks like rain. We can't run a race while it's raining.
Yeah.
Should we sing a song?
Yes.
All right.
Rain, rain,
Go away, come again another day. We want to go run a race. Rain, rain, go away. It's going away. The rain has stopped. All right, Olaf, are you ready to run a race?
Yuppie.
All right, kids, can you run with us?
Yes.
Hey, let's stand up.
Yay.
Get ready. Get set. Go! Run! Run! Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? And up! I think we tied. What do you think? How did you do?
Good.
All right. Running makes me tired.
Yeah.
We should go back and relax.
Yeah, let's go back and relax.
Oh my goodness. Running races is tiring but so fun. Before I go and relax and read a book, should we see if you can remember what the R looks like? Here they are. Can you find it? If you picked this one, you are right! Great job! I'm so glad I came to visit you guys today. It was so much fun, and I hope you had fun.